Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the NASDAQ to MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4. Then go and click on this dollar symbol here. Click on it. And we have here MetaTrader. Go and click on indices group. Okay. You may find here indexes. It's the same thing. Okay. And make sure you link your MetaTrader 4 with a broker. Okay. It can be any broker. Now click on indices. And as you can see here, we have US tech. This is in my broker. So US tech is the same as NASDAQ. Okay. So click on it. Click on show symbol and click on OK. Now this is the NASDAQ. Okay, so drag it and drop it here. So this is the NASDAQ. Now you can trade it if you want. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.